Hello, my name is Jyotilakshmi and today we are going to discuss about AI algorithm bias. So let us see. These are the points stated here: job loss problem, safety problem, trust related problem, computation problem. So solutions to conventional problems of AI. How those will be solved. Now, what is AI algorithm bias? Bias is one of the biggest challenges AI has to overcome in the future. So, bias is one type of biggest challenges which AI has to overcome in the future. Bias can find a way to lurk into algorithms in some ways. AI technology utilizes training datasets to make predictions. So it is said here that how bias finds a way to lurk into algorithms, and AI technology utilizes training datasets to make predictions. These datasets happen to include human-based decision laced with gender, sex, race, or any other personal informations. We can make software which does not do any biasness. So it is said here how these datasets are uh, how these datasets happen to be include human based decisions related to their race or any other personal information. So we can make a software which does not do such biasness. So four AI categories you can bank on. Machine knows best. The algorithm takes business decisions in certain areas without human intervention. Standard algorithms trained on companies' data sets ensure efficiency. Data is king. AI becomes the DNA of the company. The entire business model is based on customized AI solution, leveraging all available internal and external data. Don't miss the hype. The company experiments opportunistically with AI solutions based on standard algorithms, augmented human intelligence. The algorithms support humans in their daily business. For selected use cases, customized solutions are developed and applied mostly by internal experts. So not everyone understands what AI is. So let us see. To implement AI into business, one should be well aware of its possibilities and limitations, pros and cons. So to turn AI into a business platform, one should be very much aware of its pros and cons. Truth to be told, people barely know what the technology is and how it can address various business challenges. So we are people, many of the people does not know the real motivation, the real uh, the what AI actually wants to do, what actually plans of doing in future. Many people does not know how it can challenge various business in the coming future. So the most popular thing that comes to mind when one hears the word artificial intelligence is robots taking over humankind. So basically, when we speak about artificial intelligence, the first thing that comes to our mind are the robots, which are going to take over the human mankind. The thing is that the lack of understanding of AI technology slows down the adoption of it in many industries. To solve this problem, people should educate themselves on the problem of AI and its current use cases, and maybe slowly but surely the technology will start paving the way into our lives. So before uh, big, we must start learning about AI. So people, it is very necessary that people should educate themselves on the problem of AI, its pros and cons, so that people can actually understand the differences between the good users and the bad users of AI, and then actually implement their time on it on learning. Artificial intelligence can make mistakes. The idea that AI can be inaccurate or go out of control is quite plausible. There is a chance that AI-driven systems can make mistakes and cause harm if anomalies go undetected. So if people use them in a wrong way, there is a high chance that those systems can be harmful to the mankind. You have probably heard about this scenario where AI technology is aimed to go after some virus. In this case, AI is used to study the virus related genes to create a vaccine for it. Instead of developing a vaccine, AI weaponizes the virus, putting humanity at risk. Now, for example, there's a scenario created where AI technology was used to kill a virus. So, something wrong happened, and AI, the study of AI, the instead of developing that vaccine, it weaponized the virus, which put a lot of human lives into risk. So, those are the cons of AI. Different development approach. AI implementation is quite complicated. Even now in the era of digitalization, it requires special time and effort. Most development in a traditional system environment follows the usual phases such as plan, analyze, design, build, test, and deploy. So to build an AI system, it is very necessary that you must have proper knowledge of it. So you must educate yourself with the knowledge so that you can create a good system which might help in the better, which might help for the betterment of people in the future. The environment AI is a bit different. Most of the time, development is about identifying data sources and then gathering content, cleansing it, and curating it. So what happens most of the time when you talk about development, it is about identifying data sources, and then like we are gathering the content and then cleaning them. Such an approach requires different skills and mindsets as well as different methodologies, and to perform such tasks it is very necessary that people must have skills and mindsets to develop such things. In addition, AI-powered intellectual systems have to be trained in a particular domain, and as a system, and at last, the AI, those AI system must be trained with a very proper way. So I hope you understood from here. Thank you.